Hello everyone. So this is session number 9 of Food Safety and Quality Assurance, and the topic we should be discussing today is Introduction to ISO standards. So as geographic barriers between countries deteriorate with the continued evolution of the internet, ISO 9000 may be one of the largest differentiators between you and your comparator. Although ISO 9000 plays a key role in winning new customers, maintaining satisfied current customers, accessing foreign countries, and dealing with the government. So ISO is the word that represents the International Organization for Standardization. It is not the acronym for the International Organization of Standardization as many people think. It is a worldwide federation of national standards bodies for approximately 130 countries. ISO 9000 standards are produced by an international consensus of countries with the aim of creating global standards of products and services quality. These set of standards form a quality management system and are applicable to organizations regardless of product, service, organization size, or whether it is public or private company. ISO covers all technical fields and is not limited to any particular discipline. It does not, however, cover electrical or electronic engineering, which are responsible for the IEC. That is import export code. The certificate, the responsibility of the information technology is performed by a joint ISO technical committee. Your business can be certified against one of the three quality systems, that is ISO 9001, 9002, 9003. So seeing it all into the detail, ISO 9001 sets out the requirements for an organization whose business processes range all the way from design and development to production, installation and servicing. ISO 9002 is the appropriate standard for organizations that do not design and develop products, since it does not include the design control requirements of ISO 9001. Its requirements are identical aside from the distinction. ISO 9003 is an appropriate standard for an organization whose business processes do not include design control, process control, purchasing or servicing. It focuses on inspection and testing to ensure that final products and services meet specified requirements. It is your organization that chooses the one of the three quality systems to be certified against ISO 9001, 9002 or 9003 based on business processes. None is considered more important than another. It is important to identify the appropriate standard for pursuing certification. So, benefits of ISO certification. So, ISO 9000 provides a framework and systematic approach to managing business processes to produce a product service that conforms to customer expectations. For customers, the certification of suppliers to ISO standard means that they can be assured that the development of their products and services are compliant to reference documents that are globally accepted. This of course means that customers and suppliers are able to compete and market around the world. The benefit of becoming certified, and numerous companies should ensure that they are pursuing certification for the right reasons. To improve business processes and save money, most companies implementing ISO 9000 certification report increases in business process efficiencies, reduction in waste and improved product quality. To qualify for new customers, many corporations see ISO 9000 certification as an essential requirement for conducting business to a new vendor. To enter global market, ISO 9001 standards are required in many countries. So, to become ISO certified, a business must develop a quality system that meets the requirements specified by one of the following three standards, that is ISO 9001, ISO 9002 and ISO 9003, depending upon your business, product or service. Once your quality system has been documented and implemented, you must invite an accredited external auditor to evaluate the effectiveness of your system. If the auditor determines that your quality system meets all of ISO's requirements, they will certify your system. You can then announce to the world that the quality of your product is managed, controlled and assured by a registered ISO 9000 quality system. The ISO 9000 family of quality management system standards, called ISO 9000-2000, is finally being updated. These new standards are now being distributed to the institutes that make up ISO's worldwide membership. The three FDI's final draft international standard, which have just been published, are follows: ISO 9000, ISO 9004, that is quality management system requirements, and ISO 9004, that is quality management system guidelines for performance improvements. That's all for this session. Thank you.